What is going on, guys? In this video I will gonna tell you everything what you need to know about this Pro Scale light kit for TRX4m Bronco. And keep in mind, this kit fits only to the Bronco. If you are planning to upgrade your Defender with the Pro Scale light kit, it has different part number. I will link that in the description below. So next we are going to look what this kit brings you. First it brings you headlights, i.e. the driving lights. Then you get the daytime lights, tail lights, reverse lights and hazard light. Later I will show you how you can enable these different light modes and how they work. So let's look what's inside the bag. You got instructions, you get the light harness, new rear lights with mounting screws, couple of zip ties for mounting the wire harness to the body. Okay, so next we start the assembly work, but before that we need to remove the front LED headlight retainers and existing taillight housings and lenses. So let's do that first. You need 1.5mm hex driver, remove the front and rear lenses. And we start from the front and then we remove the rear. Now these parts you just removed from the body, you don't need these anymore in this assembly, so you can either discard them or save them in the later use. Next up we install left and then right LED headlight assemblies, and after that we route the both LED tail light assemblies under the frame cross brace and towards to the rear of the body. If you wonder which one is the left side is the driver side, at least in Europe and US, and the right side is the passenger side. Now in the small bag you will find the 1.6mm and 10mm long fixing screws for the front lights. In the headlight assemblies, left and right side is clearly marked. Now before we mount these, let's take a look inside. Are these varnish head? Are these waterproof? Clearly are. There is a black coating inside, so you don't need to worry about the waters. That's good news. I will assemble the left light first. For that I will use 1.6 times 10mm screw. Left is done. Then I assemble the right. So now when the front lines are done, next we install new taillight housings into the body from the outside, and after that we install right and then left taillight assemblies. So let's do that next. Reminder, you will use new taillights assemblies which was included to the light kit. Okay, let's install the right side taillight first. There is a small letter indicating which side you should assemble. For example, this is the left side. I will slide it down from the outside. So the new taillights are now assembled, and next what we're gonna do is that we will route and zip tie these wiring harness to the body. So the LED assemblies are now in place, and the last thing what we need to do is to zip tie the harness to the body, and for that I will use two zip ties which was included into the kit. Now let's start from the rear, and here is the fixing point, and the second is meant to fix right here. Okay, not most beautiful, but now it's time to try how these lights works. Now of course you need to plug this blue connector to the ECM on the free light port, then you power the ESC. So there is 5 different settings or modes, and we look now how these different modes work. So this is the default mode, and it means that you have always headlights and daytime running lights on. Also you have the tail lights on, and the brake lights will be on when you brake, and when you reverse, also the reverse lights are on. Pretty cool. Next I will change the mode pressing the ECM button once, and then the headlights should be turned off. And now there is only the daytime lights are on the rear end. The tail lights are on, and when you brake, the brake lights are on, and when you reverse, the reverse lights are on. Next I will press the ECM button twice, so we move to the mode 2 once, twice. So it turns the headlights and daytime lights off. Also the tail lights are off, but when you brake, it will lit the brake lights and reverse light when you reverse. Next, I will press the ECM button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So it will enable the hazard lights on front and rear, and your brake lights and tail lights only works. Okay. And the last mode is the demo mode, and for getting that you need to press the button 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this mode the truck will not drive. It will go through all modes. So this is just the demo mode. So that's about it, and it's pretty neat light kit. I'm very happy that I bought it. It's a bit expensive, but that's the name of the game, right? It's a bit bummer that you cannot switch those modes, different lights mode from your controller, but it is what it is. Anyway, if you liked the video, give it thumbs up. If you didn't like, give it thumbs down. And I hope that we see you on the next one. Peace out.